Here is a P-23 Kmart that I got at the warehouse before summer started. I just got done cleaning it up, polished the blades up. So yeah, it's a P-23W because it has a Westinghouse motor in it. So I was gonna probably eventually take the motor out with the blades set and put in my Windsor P-23. So yeah. Anyway, we'll start off on low. And I believe that every Lakewood P-23 should have this type of grill on. Well, it has the normal grill on it. It's just rotated. But I like it this way instead of the other way. It's got a very nice flow to it. Nice and quiet. Blows a decent breeze. Go to medium. And we go to high. Then we'll go to low. Or off. Stops a little bit quick. I haven't taken the motor